Hey guys, welcome back to RV Living Yet. I'm Sabrina.
And I'm Rob. And in this episode, we are going to show you guys what we're doing to protect our investment in our RV. We bought this cover last fall before the winter. And quite frankly, it was a pretty big investment. We had high hopes for it, but it just isn't holding up. All the corners are frayed. We can't access the RV easily. So, you know, say we had guests in town or we just wanted to get something quickly out of there.
It's not an option.
Right. We can't pull the slides out quickly. We'd have to pull the whole cover off. So for us, this just isn't working. And we're going to make a little bit of an investment here. It's going to improve the value of the property because future buyers potentially are going to see value in this. And it's going to protect our investment on the RV and also have it usable while it's sitting here in case we have guests or something like that in town.
Also, if you're somebody who's full-time and you're stationary in one place, you might want to consider a carport as well.
Yeah, because these RVs always leak, and this is a pretty good way to protect it from the sun and the elements. So follow along as we set up an RV carport.
Are you just unsnapping right now?
Alright guys, so we have our pad prepped here for the install. It's the homeowner's responsibility to have a level surface within 3 inches of level. That could be dirt, that could be gravel base like this, it could be concrete, it could be asphalt. It just depends on the anchor package that you're going to use with your install. Again, we had a 1-inch base material here. I was able to grade it out within 3 inches of level. And the installers will be getting here this week to do the install. So we'll show you guys how it looks when it's done.
thing is huge.
It's done. And we couldn't be happier. This thing turned out great. We ended up going a little too big, in my opinion, but
a little overkill, but
right, it is what it is. We were a little scared because this RV is actually, this fifth wheel is probably about as tall as they make them. It's right at 13.6, which I think is the street legal height. And then also with our Anderson hitch, we have to raise it off that hitch, which really puts it up to about 14 feet. So we ended up going with 14-foot side legs, which most RVs you could definitely get away with 12-foot side legs because it does get taller in the middle. And then we ended up going 18 feet wide, which is plenty for our slides, and 40 feet long for our 38-foot RV. So it's pretty awesome.
came out pretty good. And, you know, because we did overdo it a little bit, we can actually work on the roof, and I can pretty much stand up there. Almost. So we can get some stuff done and not get beaten by the sun, which is a bonus.
Right. So yeah, this is, we went with a vertical roof. We went with a 12-gauge structure. It's got the bracing on the side. It's got what they call concrete support. So there's actually poles embedded in the concrete. We ended up grading the gravel here, and the guys came in. Less than a day's worth of work for them. The crews are really great, very efficient. I think they did a great job.
And this stands up to how much wind? It's
rated for up to 130 mile an hour winds. I believe it's warranted up to 90 miles an hour, which, geez, if we get that type of wind around here, I think we got other problems.
I think this will stand up before the house.
Right. All right, guys, so if you guys are interested, this company does work throughout a lot of the country, so we'll leave a link to a sales rep below that we worked with, and check it out. I think it was worth it. Like and subscribe to the video. Stay tuned for some more RV stuff, and yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one.
Take care.